Hello, and thanks for joining us. Today's video will cover the installation of the DIG MVA, a battery-powered single-station irrigation timer with a manual valve actuator. The DIG MVA is designed to convert and automate 3/4 inch or 1 inch manual anti-siphon valves or angle valves. These are typically used for landscape irrigation or for pool fill purposes. The MVA is available in 4 configurations: with DC solenoid only, with DIG 710A controller, with the DIG RBC controller, or with the Eco 1 or Light 1 solar-powered controller. Key features: the flow control knob, especially useful for sprinkler system adjustment. When the knob is turned clockwise, the water flow is decreased. Turning the knob counterclockwise increases the flow. The external bleed screw. The screw can be turned counterclockwise to flush out the valve and open the valve manually. Turn the screw clockwise until it stops to close the valve. The DC solenoid can also be turned by hand to open and close the valve manually. Rotate it half a turn counterclockwise to open and clockwise until finger tight to close. Required materials. To complete this installation, we only need a 3/4 inch or 1 inch manual anti-siphon valve and a large pair of channel lock pliers. The RBC MVA is set up at the factory to fit a 3/4 inch anti-siphon valve. If you'd like to install the product to a 1 inch anti-siphon valve, the included 1 inch adapter and seat washer must be installed on the actuator. This procedure is covered in a separate video. Preparing the manual valve. The first step is to locate and close the water supply valve. This will shut off the water to the anti-siphon valve. Use the channel lock pliers to unscrew the anti-siphon cap. Remove the float and set these parts aside. Next, unscrew the manual valve stem by turning it counterclockwise and remove it from the valve body. Now the actuator can be screwed into the valve stem opening. Make sure the gasket is in place and turn it clockwise into the top of the body, only for about 2 turns. Take the anti-siphon cap and float, slide them into the gap, and start turning the cap clockwise into the downstream side of the valve. Once you get the cap started, finish tightening the actuator by hand. Then tighten the cap and the adapter with the pliers. Open the water supply valve and make sure the actuator opens and closes under pressure. It is normal for water to flow through the valve momentarily until static pressure increases. To verify proper operation and adjust the flow rate, open the actuator by turning the solenoid 1/2 turn counterclockwise. Then, if necessary, adjust the flow rate by turning the flow control knob. Turning the knob clockwise will decrease the flow. Counterclockwise will increase the flow. Close the actuator by turning the solenoid clockwise until it stops. Check the adapter and solenoid and verify that no external leaks are present. After programming, the timer will now automatically open and close the valve according to the programmed schedule. The DIG manual valve actuators are just a few of the many innovative irrigation products available from DIG. To view more programming or installation videos, the owner's manual, or to learn about any of our other water conservation products, please visit digcorp.com. Thanks for watching.